seen his star in the sea, and are called to worship him. 3. When Herod the king had heard the news, he was troubled, and all Jerusalem was seen. 4. And when he had gathered all the chief priests and scribes of the people together, he demanded of them where Christ was. 5. And they said unto him, in Bethlehem of Judah, for God is written by the prophet. 6. And thou, Bethlehem, in the land of Judah, art not the least among the kings of Judah. For out of these shall come a governor that shall rule my people Israel. 7. Then Herod, when he had privily called the wise men, inquired of them diligently, what time the star appeared? 8. And he sent them to Bethlehem, and said, go and search diligently for the young child, and where ye have found him, bring me word again, that I may come and worship him also. 9. When they had heard the king, they departed, and lo, the star, which they saw in the east, went before them, till it came and stood over where the young child was. 10. When they saw the star, they rejoiced with exceeding great joy. 11. And when they were come into the house, they saw the young child with Mary his mother, and fell down and worshipped him. And when they had opened their treasures, they presented unto him gold and frankincense and myrrh. 12. The last. And being one of God in a dream, that things should not return to Herod, they departed in their own country and brotherhood.
Courage and boldness. Courage and Jesus' wife.
No, our time never reached. Baby. Hold on, when we finish singing.
Hallelujah.